Today I am going to make fresh squeezed lemonade. Because I want to get the maximum amount of juice possible out of my lemons, I am going to roll these. This breaks down the cells of the lemons and makes them a little squishier and makes them a little easier to squeeze, which will get you the maximum amount of juice out of each lemon. Now I'm going to cut these in half and start squeezing. Got my new fancy lemon squeezer that one of our friends / supporters sent us. Okay, so how you use one of these, you just open it up, and contrary to what some people believe, you actually put it upside down in the bottom so that this hits the peeling part of the lemon. If you put it the other way, you're not going to get all your juices out. And then you just squeeze. And what I love about this, if you've watched some of my other videos, you've seen that I had a juicer that you had to, push down on. And yeah, that thing was kind of tedious. It didn't tell me the measurements on the jar. It doesn't have the markings to let me know how much juice I'm getting out of my lemons or my oranges or my limes or whatever it is that I'm squeezing. Oops, I'm going to get that, fish that out of there. All right, I'm gonna cut up the rest of my lemons here, fish out that seed before I forget. Got the rest of my lemons all cut in half, and I did get those seeds out of there. Get the rest of my lemons squeezed here. And I did kind of realize that you get it squeezed and then kind of move it a little bit on the inside. It'll squeeze in a little bit and you can get even a little bit more out of it. Don't know if I'm gonna quite get, maybe. I'd like to get about a cup's worth of fresh lemon juice out of these. I had 6 lemons, but they were kind of small. I actually got them at a farmer's market, which is pretty nice. I'm going to go ahead and finish squeezing these. I don't think you're going to want to watch that all in real time. And then I'll be back for the next step. After getting all those lemons squeezed, I ended up with about 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. So not too bad. Wasn't quite the cup I was hoping for, but was still a little more than what I was afraid I was going to get. Now I am going to, so what do you think of my fancy little decanter here? I used to collect Mickey Mouse stuff years ago. I think somebody got this for me as a gift. And it actually came with like a set of little glasses. Used to have a lid for it, but I can't find the lid. I'm going to pour my fresh juice in there. And if you get some pulp and you don't like pulp, you can strain that. Now I'm going to add cold water. If I had got a full cup of lemon juice out of those lemons, I would be adding 6 cups. But since I did not, I'm actually only going to add 5 cups. Now I'm going to put in the sugar. Normally I would add 1 cup of sugar, but I am going to make mine strawberry lemonade. So I will be adding strawberry simple syrup to my lemonade. If you do not wish to use simple syrup and flavor your lemonade, you can just add the 1 cup of sugar, whisk and mix, and drink it that way. You can throw some ice in there, make it nice and cold, or you can just throw some ice in your glass and pour it over the ice in your glass so it'll be nice and cold. You do want to mix this up. Well, you don't want the sugar to just float to the bottom. I'm actually going to go ahead and taste just a little bit of this without the simple syrup. Oh, that is so good. So very good. Now, I have a 1/4 cup of the strawberry simple syrup. I think I'm only going to add about half to start with because I don't want the strawberry to overpower the lemon flavor. I'll have to taste test this again. Darn. I think I could probably go ahead and add the rest of that. Obviously, the simple syrup is to taste. If you want it more strawberry flavored or less strawberry flavored, you would just add a little at a time until you find the flavor that you want. And you can add any flavor that you like. You know, like a blueberry would probably be good, a raspberry. All right, one more taste test. Yep, that's perfect. That's really good. That is really good. Very easy to make. Great for summertime. Well, great for any time. That fresh squeezed lemonade is the way to go.